Panasonic aimed to set a world record for investment in a battery plant for electric vehicles. The future factory will appear in Kansas, USA. Investments in it will amount to $4 billion, writes Reuters. Initially, they wanted to place the production in Oklahoma. However, the Kansas government has promised to compensate billions of dollars in investments. The incentive for this is good. Panasonic will create 4,000 jobs in the state. The main customer of the new plant will be Tesla. However, Panasonic is not going to limit itself to one company. However, it is not yet known who will receive the batteries from the future enterprise. However, it has already been announced that these will be batteries of a new generation, more capacious and durable. Panasonic's decision may have been influenced by a recent statement by Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. He complained that the growing popularity of electric cars is hindered by a shortage of batteries. Musk called the Tesla factories in Texas and Berlin money furnaces that are losing billions of dollars.